China may have just challenged one of the biggest monopolies in the global chip industry. Reports say a Chinese company has started mass-producing a key semiconductor machine that has long been dominated by ASML. But is this really a game-changer? ASML stock dropped after reports that a Chinese firm has begun manufacturing immersion DUV lithography machines, with deliveries expected to major Chinese chip makers like SMIC and CXMT later this year. The news sparked concerns that China could reduce its dependence on foreign semiconductor equipment, potentially impacting US and European technology companies. However, industry experts say investors may be overreacting. While China appears to have built a working DUV machine, matching ASML's performance is a completely different challenge. Success depends on chip yield, reliability, and the ability to manufacture these complex machines at scale. China's reported production target is just 5 machines this year and around 20 in 2027, while ASML plans to produce about 130 DUV machines in 2026 alone. Analysts also point out that export restrictions had already limited ASML's sales of advanced DUV systems to China, meaning the new Chinese machines are replacing business ASML had largely already lost. As for the even more advanced EUV technology used to make the world's most powerful AI chips, experts believe China still faces years, if not decades, of technological hurdles before it can seriously challenge ASML. So while China's progress is significant, ASML's leadership in advanced chip-making equipment remains firmly intact for now. Stay tuned for more global business and technology updates.